In this video, I'll show you how to view runtime logs in Base44 quickly and easily. If you're trying to troubleshoot an issue, check recent activity, or inspect what your app is doing behind the scenes, runtime logs are the place to go. This is a simple process, and in just a moment, you'll know exactly where to click. If this tutorial helps, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more fast software guides. Let's get started. First, open your project in Base44. Once you're inside the project, look at the main navigation and click Dashboard. This will take you to the central area where you can access different project tools and monitoring options. On the dashboard, find and click Logs. This is where Base44 keeps the logging section for your project activity. After the Logs page opens, look at the first dropdown at the top of the screen. Click that dropdown and choose Runtime. Selecting Runtime will filter the logs so you can see runtime-specific entries instead of other log types. And that's it. You've now viewed the runtime logs in Base44. This is the quickest way to inspect runtime activity when you need to debug or understand what's happening in your project. If this video helped, please hit like and subscribe for more Base44 tutorials just like this one.